Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip is a bitter pill to swallow that will be worth millions to you when you do. Are you ready? It's a quote from Grant Cardone. Here's the quote. If the customer is beating you up on price or shopping your price, then your level of service isn't obvious. Okay, say it again. If the customer is beating you up on price or just shopping your price, then your level of service isn't obvious. Okay, so how can you leverage? Here's the question for you. How can you leverage and incorporate this into your daily routine, into how you greet somebody, into how you figure out what's important to them, into how you present your product, into how you close a deal, into how you follow up, into how you prospect? How do you leverage it into all of that? And then more importantly, how do you weave this one in to the apology close, which can be found inside Cardone University? Oh, you don't have access to Cardone University? Well, speaking of level of service, allow me to hook you up with 2 weeks free access to Cardone University. Head on over to cardonesolutions.com/Cardone U free. That's cardonesolutions.com/Cardone, the letter U, the word free. cardonesolutions.com/Cardone U free. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. If I can be of further service to you, reach out. 310-777-0352. Fire an email off, david@grantcardone.com. And be great, because nothing else pays.